Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. So in front of us in for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series. So 300 L2H1, so that's the long wheelbase, giving you just under 3 metres of load length in the back and standard roof height. So 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox, covered just over 10,306 miles, excellent condition inside and out, factory painted, frozen white, registered March 22 and sitting on a 22 plate. Comes a full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance. So side loading door, there's the limited series. In the cab you get Ice Pack 21, connect your phone, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Show you more in just a minute, but on the outside you get body colour side mouldings, 16-inch alloy wheels, body colour door handles. This van is fitted with a rear view camera as well as the parking sensors front and rear. Body coloured heated door mirrors. You get automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, corner and fogs, heated windscreen, heated seats, chrome effect grille. So as this is an L2, you get just under 3 metres of load length along the easy clean floor. There is tie downs. This van is fitted with a ply lining kit in the back. You get the LED load lighting as well as a full bulkhead with a load through compartment just in the bottom left side of the screen, which gives you extra load length and useful storage underneath the 2 passenger seats. So the dual rear barn doors can be locked when they're in a 90-degree position. Just push this bar in. And they also open up 180 degrees. Right, now into the cab. Again, excellent condition like the rest of the vehicle. Leather trimmed steering wheel. Just beyond that, we've got the 8-inch touchscreen or Ice Pack 21. I'll show you more detail in just a second. You've got the dual passenger seat with a fold down table. Then we have 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support. Electric windows, power folding door mirrors. Automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected. Just beyond that, we've got automatic rain sensing wipers. And then cruise control with adjustable speed limiter, and just confirming the mileage. And so 6-speed manual gearbox connected to the 130 PS engine, so 3 pedals. And then just beyond that, here you have your manual air conditioning. You've got your heated door mirrors, your heated windscreen, your 2 heated seats, and your quick clear and your quick cool. Then just above that, here we have Ice Pack 21, so it's a great blend of touchscreen and physical buttons. Connect your phone through USB up on the dash, and you can then access your phone features like your Google Maps, your Spotify, your radio apps, etc. on this screen. And this is also where the rear view camera can be viewed. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have an excellent example of a long wheelbase Ford Transit Custom in frozen white. Very low mileage, just 10,306 miles covered. Ice Pack 21 in the cab, so connect your phone, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Rear view camera, parking sensors, front and rear. Limited series, so well spec'd. 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.